Hello everyone, today I want to show you how to solve this problem for the values of a. If we have a to the power of a minus 2 is equals to 48, and we solve this problem for all the values of a. And I hope so you like this method, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And now here the very first step we are going to do is, here first we need to break this exponent, and after breaking the exponent we write it as 8 to the power of a multiplied by 8 to the power of minus 2 is equals to 48. And now here further in the next step we have, this is 8 to the power of 8 to the power of a, and when we here you see that the exponent of this 8 is minus 2. When we move downside it will become here a to the power of plus 2, and this is equals to 48. And now here in the next step you see here this term is divided by left hand side. When we move in the right hand side it is multiplied by here, and it will becomes 8 to the power of a equals to 8 square multiplied by 48. And now here in the next step, in order to simplify the terms, in order to find the value of a, we need to take the log on both of the sides, so that we take a log on both of the sides, and it will be written as log of 8 to the power of a equals to log of 8 square multiplied by 48. So now here in the next step we need to use here the nice properties of log. So here we need two properties of log. The first property of log is that if we have log of a to the power of m, it is equals to m times of log a. And the second property of log is that log of a multiplied by b is equals to log of a plus log of b. So we can apply the first property in the left hand side, and we apply the second property in the right hand side. So that first we can apply the first property of log in the left hand side. For this we move this a in the front of this log, and it will becomes a times of log 8 is equals to, and in the right hand side we just multiply, we can just apply this log on the product of these two terms, and it will becomes log of 8 square plus the log of, here we can write this 48 as 8 times of 6. Okay, we know that 8 times of 6 becomes 48. And now here in the right hand side we again apply both of these properties of log, and now again we move this 2 front in the front of this log, and it will becomes 2 times of log 8 plus, and we can apply the second property of log in this term, and it will be written as log of 8 plus log of 6. So further in the next step we need to add or subtract the like terms, and in the left hand side we have a times of log 8 is equals to, here you have this is 2 times of log 8 plus 1 times of log 8, it is equals to 3 times of log 8 plus this is log of 6. And now here in the next step in order to find the value of a, we need to divide both of the sides by log 8, and when we divide both of the sides by log 8 it will be written as this is a log 8 over log 8, 3 log 8 over log 8, and log 6 over log 8. This log 8 is cancelled out by this log 8, this log 8 is cancelled out by this log 8, and we will get here the remaining values are a is equals to 3 plus, here we again apply the property of a log. So for this property we combine these two logs, and we get here log 6 of base 8. Okay, so this is the final value of a in this problem. And now here in the next step we need to verify this value of a. Is this value of a satisfied our given question statement or not? Okay, so for the verification of the solution we need to copy down the given question statement. Here it is 8 to the power of a minus 2 is equals to 48. And now here we put the value of a in the left hand side of this equation. So we have 8 to the power of a minus 2. The value of a is 3 plus log of 6 of base 8, and this is minus 2 equals to 48. Here we check that is our left hand side is equals to 48 or not, okay, because this is the our verification. And now in the next step we need to break the exponent of these terms, and you see here we can apply this 8 on each of these values. But now first we need to add or subtract the like terms. So we have this is 3 minus 2 becomes 1, and plus here you have a log of 6 with base 8, and we check that is this equals to 48 or not, okay. So now here we again break this fraction, and we again break this exponent, and we write it as 8 to the power of 1 multiplied by 8 to the power of log of 6 with base 8, and we check that is this equals to 48 or not. So further in the next step we have 8 to the power of 1 equals to 8, and it is multiplied by here we apply this another property of log, and you know that if we have a to the power of log a with log b with base a, if the base of the term and the base of the log are same, then this log with base a and this base a are cancelled out by each other, and we get only b, okay. So according to this property of log, you see that the log with base 8 and this 8 are cancelled out by each other, and here we get only 6, and we check that is this equals to 48 or not. So here clearly you see that 8 times of 6 becomes 48 is equals to 48. So this shows that the value of a is satisfied the given question statement, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.